Hey guys, so today we are talking about what it means to be confident on camera, which I have coined Camfidence. So Camfidence is just having the confidence on camera that you need to have, and I want to say it's a collection of a few things. So the first thing is the one that everyone gets tripped up on all the time. I hear this all the time. I hear, Zay, I don't feel like I look camera ready, or I don't feel like, I look like someone who is ready to be on camera. I don't look like the YouTube gurus. I don't look like this. I don't look like that. And so my suggestion for that is, if you are not here to be a makeup artist on camera, then that should be the least of your concerns, right? And so I say that because it's really, really and truly important for us to show up as our best selves. But if your best self is the person that does not wear makeup, or is not all dressed up every day, or is not, you have to show up as your best self, and that's how you'll be able to function, as yourself. See, the thing about video is that we are making a connection with the person that's on the other side of the camera. And so because of that, I like to let people know that you want to be as much as yourself as possible, because you can see straight through that on video, on camera, right? So you have to be mindful of being yourself. You don't want to show up on camera pretending to be someone else. You can do that in a picture, but you cannot do that on video. So I suggest, being comfortable if you're not comfortable in makeup, do not let that stop you from delivering your message. The other thing is that you can get caught up on that. If you feel like makeup makes you feel comfortable, then learn how to do a simple application. Do not go too crazy, because that can also be not too great as well. If you know that you are getting on camera, don't get too adventurous at first, because it shows up on camera. So keep it simple, keep it cute, and be yourself. So, that's one of the first things that I wanted to cover. The second thing about Camfidence, is, feeling that you have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. Your message doesn't have to be perfect either. Share a story, share your journey, share something that is genuine and authentic to you. Share an experience, and, share the lesson from that experience, or share how you were able to overcome, how you were able to help someone else in your business, how you use a tool. It's really all about your journey. Remember, we are helping people who are in a place that we possibly were, right? So I want you to keep that in mind. So leave perfection behind. Your message does not have to be perfect. You do not have to look perfect. Your content, it's great if it's good, if it's let me focus my video here, because I can see myself going in and out of focus. Okay, great. Here we go again. See, I'm not perfect. You are not perfect. Don't make it your goal to appear perfect. It's not, it's impossible. And it will stop you in so many ways. So don't let perfection or wanting to be perfect keep you back from helping the people that you are truly meant to help. So don't get caught up in looking visually perfect. Do not get caught up in having a perfect message. Do not get caught up in not sounding like a guru or an expert in your industry. It's all about being you. If you're able to take someone from point A to point Z, we want to see that. We want to be able to interact with that. There are a few things about me that are not perfect, and I kind of like sharing that, because it didn't stop me from getting where I am now, and it's not going to stop me from going where I am going in the future. I see people get stuck on a lot of different things, and I don't want anyone that's learning from me to get stuck. You know, one of the first things that kind of kept me back was I was born in Trinidad and Tobago. I do have an accent, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. So I have a mixture of my Trinidadian accent. I have also lived in New York for 12 years. I just moved to Dallas, so listen, my accent is, but I am really just here to share a message, and I'm here to evoke a specific emotion from the viewer, and that's what I'm most concerned about. Also, another thing is when I'm speaking, my brain moves faster than my mouth can move. My brain is always processing things. And so that trips me up sometimes in video, you know, and sometimes I'm able to edit and sometimes I don't edit it out because this is just truly me. I'm here to give my heart to whoever is on the other side of or who is looking into the computer or the screen. So perfection keeps you back. I am telling you this as a creator. I'm a video creator and my videos are not always perfect. Sometimes me not being perfect on camera is intentional because it stops you from producing content, and I'm not interested in letting something keep me back from my goals or getting where I need to get. So that's something that creatives struggle with a lot. So that is a huge part of confidence as well. Showing up as your best self, but showing up as your most genuine self. That's your best self. Your most genuine self is your best self. Like I said, if you are not being genuine on camera, it can show very easily. So I wanted to share those two things. Stay tuned. I have more coming on confidence, like how you can be confident on camera. And yeah, let me know what issues you have, you know, when it comes to being confident on camera. I'm gonna leave some imperfections in this video just because I'm imperfect. But you know what, imperfect, my friend Latray says, imperfect means I'm perfect. So yeah. But yeah, so let me know what you think about the word confidence. Let me know what's stopping you from being confident on camera and producing content. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. I want to see those things down in the comments. So let me know. Chat soon, guys.